Hello everyone, it's your favorite Yali Wanchikimani and this is Tunetalk. Karibuni sana, welcome back. Today we have Ochiko, singer-songwriter, instrumentalist extraordinaire.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're known for multiple songs. Your EP, Woodhera. Am I saying that correctly? Worth. Okay. Woodhera.
Yeah.
I would never have known. Thank you. Woodhera and your EP, Footprints.
Album.
And your album Footprint and the latest one where you worked with numerous people. But we will get into that.
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Mm-hmm.
How are you?
Good. Good. Been better, but I'm good. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start with a little game just for
Okay.
ice-breaking purposes.
Okay.
I need you to pick this or that. Cheers.
So,
This or that. Basically, the rules are you pick this or that. Yeah, exactly. Okay, so, Ochiko, pop or rock music?
wow. It's actually a really good question. Pop.
Okay. So, vinyl records or digital music? Okay. That was easy. That was fast.
No brainer. Yeah.
Concerts or music festivals?
Oof. I'll say festivals.
Really?
I'll say festivals.
Okay.
Yeah.
Singing in the shower or singing in the car?
That's a hard one. Okay. Shower.
Okay.
Yeah.
Classic hits or new releases?
New releases.
Okay, that's interesting. Yes, Awa. You did good. Although it took your time. But I like you. So I'll give you 10 seconds for the next seg.
Okay.
So the next segment is song association. I give you a name. I give you a word. I give you a word. You give me a song with the word in the lyrics or the title. Cheers.
Cheers. Let's go.
Gang. So your first word is, breathe. Breathe, take it in. Your first word is like.
One so many times I've loved. I found no one like you. I found no one like you. Yeah.
Okay. So did you always know that you were going to pursue music as a career?
Let's say yes.
Yeah?
Let's say
It's
yes.
the easiest answer. It's just...
Let's say yes, because I wasn't born singing.
Oh.
This is an acquired skill.
Stop.
I'm not kidding. Just that it came easier because I come from a musical family.
Okay.
So I learned.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but
I'm so mad at you right now. I am so mad.
But after I think when I was growing up, rather when I realized I was grown, this is what I wanted to do.
Okay.
Yeah, and I wanted to do this. I want to do this for like the next 30 to 40 years.
That's gang. You have okay.
Yeah.
So your second word is finally.
Finally, I see. Bien's song with that's Bien's song, yeah.
Baby, I don't know what you're singing. I'm hoping you come out with something.
Finally, I see. What is it?
Shazam. Somebody. I was thinking more yours.
Our song is finally.
Yes.
Oh baby, I'm yours, finally yours. Mapenzi hizi zaidi na zaidi. Yo, zaidi na zaidi.
I'm so mad. I'm so angry that this is an acquired skill. You don't get to get that good when you acquired it at some point in your life.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So tell me, what is your most sentimental song?
What is my most sentimental song?
You have your catalog is for someone who's trying to do this 30, 40 years, your catalog is already
Yeah, man. Yeah. And we're about to give you so much more, man. My most sentimental piece has to be. It's not yet out. It's about to be out though. It's called Nita.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you wanna
Do I
Tell
wanna?
me the story about it or what's about.
Nita is promise to be present, to love, to be there for
Yeah.
life,
Yeah.
to somebody.
Well, so it's your most sentimental song because you mean it, yeah?
Because I mean it, yes.
That's
yes,
so
yes,
cute.
yes,
Okay, so
yes.
are you Kokosoko, ladies?
Well,
All right, your third word, and this one is very intentional. Hera.
Hera engi maber chiari okauro mo kibedo gimoro achiel. Hera engi maber chiari okauro mo kibedo gimoro achiel. Piny biro kasore mondo pogi gima Nyasaye oriyo onge ng'at mapogo. Piny biro kasore mondo pogi gima Nyasaye oriyo onge ng'at mapogo. Milele na milele ni uwe nawe milele. Nishakuvisha pete niwe nawe milele.
First of all, before I catch my breath, men who sing in their vernacular are the weapons formed against me. I don't even need to understand because I don't know jack about what you just said.
Yeah. But you just want to hear it.
But
Yeah.
also it is I wouldn't say favorite, but like I lean a lot towards that side because it's your collab with Motoria.
Yeah.
And yeah.
And that was a beautiful project. Yeah.
Now I have my breath back. Let's move on. So your debut, like your very first song was your very, very first song was it yours?
Twende than yours.
Twende was first. Yeah, oh really?
They were very close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so since then, which was 2021, how do you feel you have evolved as an artist?
Damn. Yeah, we've come from so far, man. From singing, from singing in Mombasa to small crowds that necessarily didn't consume my music as they should because it's very Nairobi-esque. To right now performing to thousands of people, to collaborating with international artists.
First of all, congratulations, your flowers, which I will actually get you. But oh my days, it's really beautiful to see that progress.
It's crazy for me.
What's it like looking? Yeah, from the inside.
From the inside, the days we I never see it. It was very recent that Modest sat me down and told me, you're behaving like someone who's not doing some of the things you're doing. You need to recognize that some of the things you're doing, people have their whole careers and never even get there.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've been more conscious of the things that I'm doing and understanding the people that I'm working with.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Before you give me any spoilers, let's move on. Kidogo kwanza. So your fourth word is mateso.
Mateso. Hey. Mateso. Hey.
Being a Kenyan right now. Mateso.
I feel like I've written something like that.
Yes, you have. It's also a collab.
Mateso.
With a Luo man.
What?
Yeah.
Try to say it's not on Yeyo, it's not on tongue.
No. You are.
Oh, mapenzi kibao nitakupa maji kwa macho yangu we ni superstar. Hadi wa leo mi ukumbuka zile vitu zenye ulinifanyia na kimpenzi uliniacha kwa njaa ya kukuona mara kadhaa. One more time, I just wanna see you smile hata kama we're going through the hardest times. I just want to waste my time. Make sure you're fine.
Mateso is in your verse.
kwangu resambu, nafsi yangu imekwama kutamu, kweli umenifanyia mateso. There we go.
Well, that was a trip.
That was a trip. It took a while before we got there, but we did.
But we have arrived. Let us focus on having arrived.
Yeah.
Now, having released an EP, 2 EPs so far, yeah? The collab one, 2 EPs and an album. Yeah. Do you think it's easier for an artist to release like a body of work as a like as a project, or like singles? You also have singles out.
I also have singles out. I don't think there's a right or wrong way.
I mean, I asked what's easier.
Or what's easier?
Yeah.
I feel
according
like
to you, yeah.
Projects, because I'm now being a writer. This is now very subjective to Ochiko. Being a writer, I write a lot, and holding music kills me.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay.
So it's easier for me to have projects out, like
as a body,
as compared to doing singles, of which if I do a single, it has to have the same amount of investment as a whole body.
Yeah.
Because it has to really cut across. You see, so it's easier to do a project and then probably work it backwards. Like do a body of work like an album, then do visuals as you focus on a song per period of time.
Yeah,
that's easier for me.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Your 5th word. Again, I need you to be very intentional about this. Please breathe.
Okay.
Your 5th word is hayazoleki. Big shout out to the host with the most that gave us this location. It has been the smoothest, the most wonderful interaction, really. I would really highly recommend that you reach out to her at the number below or at Airbnb Stays on Instagram. Even just look through the page and see what you like. Pick your poison, whatnot, and you will have a blast for sure. Remember, at Airbnb Stays or the number below. And so reach out, have fun.
I feel like I had the band song. I don't know if I have.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Band song.
I can see it as well, but focus on you.
Focus on me.
Also, your 10 seconds are out, so I might as well just cheat. It's Yeyo. Yes.
On my verse?
Yeah.
I hope you feel the love. The love that you deserve. I hope he makes you smile and he cries when you cry. I hope he's always by your side when you need a shoulder to cry. Again, I need a better booty, say, chete. Yeyo, yo. Yeyo, yo. Yeyo. I don't wanna lie that I never leave Kionge mama. Okanyal riamboni that I never sleep Kiweaga. Baby na heri kenda na lori awinjo ni udonga nongimba miero. Baby na heri kenda na lori adong kale mweda gengima miero. Oh, fly away, I'll set you free, fly away. I said, oh, yo, oh.
720.
That's what it is. It took me some time.
That was yet another trip. We're liking the trips though. Yeah, it's a scenic route. We are loving it.
That's Yeyo with Costa with Breezy.
Now, yes, Costa, big shout out.
Yeah.
I happen to also know that you are a visual artist.
I am.
Do you think as an artist that has made you kidogo hyper independent, because you're also a songwriter, you are a visual artist, you are a recording artist, you are a performing artist, a producer. Yeah. Do you feel like that has made you a bit hyper independent? And
very.
Yeah, because I'm imagining also it would be when you're a visual artist, you know exactly what you want.
Exactly.
So handing it over to someone,
exactly,
when art is very subjective.
Exactly. I project manage my own visuals. I'm part. I most times I come up with the concept, and then I give it to someone else to just give it color. Yeah, but most times the rather the bones of it.
Yeah.
I'm the
The
one
scale.
yeah, the scale. I'll do my own graphics for the videos. I'll consult on the editing most times. So it becomes quite difficult when I'm working with say another artist or a different crew who wants to fully have control and assume that since I'm an artist or they don't know how good of a visual artist I am.
Wait, just for context, we will put like a slideshow of the photos that Ochiko has taken. And yeah, when he says he's good, hey, but Mjaluo humble ni mwongo. Ni pretender.
Yeah, no lie. No lie.
Okay, so your sixth word is simple.
Simple lessons. No one ever taught us how to listen. No one ever told me how to read between the words. No one ever said how I should love you. So I love the way I always thought was right. Some things in life we never get to right. So I hurt you by giving all I had. I just didn't know for a fact that we needed to be patient and fall in love again and again. Even when we're perfect, fall in love again and again. Mostly when we're perfect, fall in love again and again. 'Cause there's no mistake in falling in love again.
How is this not your most sentimental song? I don't, because what is mostly when we're perfect? Oh God. Hey, this episode,
this
handkerchief, someone.
Yeah, I get what you mean because it has a very personal meaning for me because I wrote this while I was deeply in a situation when I was losing someone who I thought was the love of my life.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was like, we
Shit.
could do this shit every day, man. Why do we have to let this thing go? So it's from a very painful place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad that you're focusing on the good, yeah.
Yeah.
Because this song you're talking about, the recent one, is from like a place of love, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, now talk to me about your new project with Fancy Fingers, Listen Noah. First of all, excuse me.
Yeah.
Since you started working with these guys, talk to me about your experience and how you think that has impacted you.
So we start with the project and my experience first. Then we get into
let's talk about the project.
So yeah, we will never forget.
No. Let's talk about the experience then, because we're going to get there.
Okay. So first of all, working with Fancy is a very fancy experience. Yes.
It's in the name.
It's in the name. It's in the name because Mans is properly experienced and has insane reach. The kind of people that we have conversations about.
Yeah.
The people I used to dream about.
Yeah.
But now having conversation to a point that we are working on projects virtually, we are creating, like there's info. I can't say too much.
Yeah,
on it,
yeah.
But,
Well, yet
we are like the kind of projects that are underway right now are too big. Too big not to mean like even Africa, too big to mean like proper Billboard artist.
Ooh. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Ochiko.
Yeah, proper Billboard artist. And
I'm glad I met you. I'm glad I met you
I'm
before
so
we got
excited.
there.
Yeah.
Hey, you can't afford to pass me by.
Yeah, I'm super excited to when people see the names.
Yeah.
You are gonna.
Okay.
Good. It's good stuff.
All right. Love it. Sorry.
The project.
No.
Okay, we'll get there.
Spoilers.
Okay.
Number 7. Times.
Times. I have an my most sentimental song has that's that one. But I can't
But
do
you
it.
can't. Come on, Ochiko, we're boys.
Okay. Time after time. Mm, you keep on crying. I hope you find genuine love, peace of mind. I hope you find me. Genuine love, I pray I find you. This is where we fall in love in this lifetime, yeah. We help each other grow, we give life, we make promises and vows to love. I promise I'll always find you. Promise me that you will always find me. Nita kupenda leo na kesho. Nita kupenda na sitaenda. Nita tenda ninavyosema. Nita, baby Nita, Nita, baby Nita. That's Nita. Yeah.
Guys,
Yeah.
I'm a wreck.
Yeah.
I'm still wrapping my head around the fact that this is an acquired skill.
Yeah.
And then before I breathe properly in that corner, you over here. Okay, yeah, back to back.
Yeah.
Hey, okay, so thank you so much. Thank you.
Karibu, man.
Okay, so, oh my god, I need a break.
Yeah.
Oof.
Yeah.
All right, that is so pretty.
Thank you.
Okay, back to back, so
Yeah.
bus. Now. The times I was talking about was home. Your song home. But that's okay. We don't have to. We don't have to.
Okay.
Now, I am aware that you are a bomb-ass songwriter.
Yeah.
Talk to me through your process of between a concept and Nita.
Okay, so most times I'm a composer and a writer.
Mm-hmm.
So when I have a word, it mostly comes with a melody tied to it.
Mm-hmm.
And
This just happens, like you just kind of have it.
you build it. It's muscle.
Okay.
Yeah, you build it. So over time, so tuseme kama Nita started with time after time. That was the first line. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, time after time. And I've wanted to have a song with that line for the very longest because Sam Smith has a song that has that line. And I told myself that's such a dope line. I'm going to use it one time.
Time after time?
Yes.
Wow, okay.
Yeah. In fact, he has a song called Time After Time.
Yeah.
So that's how I
came up with Nita.
That's where it
started. Yeah.
The concept of Nita was a promise to just I always will. You know, leo na kesho, nakupenda na sitaenda.
Hey, 1 minute, please. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Nairobi, now.
Nitakupenda leo na kesho. Nitakupenda leo na kesho. Nitakupenda na sitaenda. Nitatenda ninavyosema. Yeah.
Ochiko, are you being a Jaluo man writing these songs? Because hey, okay. Now, you know what? A win is a win. We'll take the music.
Take it, man. Take it. Yeah.
All right. Your 8th word is excited.
I feel like I have something like I get excited. I get excited when I see you smile. Yeah. Sijapenda in a long time. I get excited when I see you smile. Every time I close my eyes, naona picha za milele. I know you're scared and it's alright. Expectations kill the vibe. I don't wanna rush, yeah. Baby, don't try no way. Let's fall in love, but slowly. Slowly.
Dun, dun,
Learn to love me. Let's fall in love, but slowly.
That one is that's my most sentimental song of yours.
Well, your boy, I'm about to make everything better, man.
Okay,
Yeah,
don't overpromise.
I'm not overpromising.
On this
man.
blue couch, we hold you accountable.
Yeah.
Gen Z,
When's this episode coming out?
soon,
You
probably
might-
next week.
Next week?
Mm.
Yeah, around the same time you'll be getting the video, man.
Yes, for slowly.
Yeah.
Boy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Be getting amazing visuals, man. I have the best actors in the 254 on it, man.
Which reminds me, I was with Jeff Logan on the most recent episode, and you have a song together.
Yeah, back to back. That's coming out this Friday.
Yeah.
That's 9th?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my days.
Soko featuring Jeff Logan.
Jeff Logan, big shout out.
Big shout out. Talented,
Yo, I heard the song.
Yeah? What do
Yee.
you think?
I can't think. I can't think.
Little man
My-
after you.
Hey, guys, pray for me. All right. So you are forever dripped out. I have not once caught you slipping. Not once, and I
Not
try.
once.
I try.
Not once. Mtanipata.
What is your most valuable accessory? Like what will you never not be wearing? What are you always wearing?
This.
Oh,
This.
Specifically?
Specifically this.
oh, okay. So not just wristbands or like
Not wristbands. This.
these. Okay.
I've not taken this out since I put them on.
Oh,
I think the only time I've taken them off is Lala.
do you? Oh,
Yeah. Over COVID.
story time.
Over COVID, caught past time I was opening my fourth gate, and the cops decided.
Na kijana lazima
Yeah.
iwe funzo kwake. So what is there a story?
Yeah, two stories actually. One is how I came to have them and the color.
Mm-hmm.
So these are gifts from my dad.
Oh.
My dad handmade them.
Oh.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah. And the color is yellow because I met someone, person who introduced me to this Nairobi industry,
Mm-hmm.
late Jambiko Kai.
Oh.
So I met her. I had yellow, but I didn't have any significance for the color.
Mm.
It was just a favorite color.
Mm.
But then she told me that this yellow is the color for endo,
Mm.
endometriosis.
Oh.
And yeah.
Yeah. That's the
So
only way to end that
that's-
story.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the story of this. And I never remove them. I never take them off. Bathe with them, sleep with them. If I ever take them off,
Mm.
it's something that I don't want the most sentimental part of me to be associated with.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So probably if I came on this pod and took them off,
Oh,
Najua.
wee.
you know,
Rejection.
like if you ever see that,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. That's
But
deep.
drip
Every
is for life.
drip must.
Uh,
All right. Now let's get a bit messy. Your ninth word is army.
Army. Hii generation ni army. How does that song start? Generator isimami, hii generation ni army. Sauti yangu iko kazi, yeah. Na bunge ni ya majambazi, wameweka ushuru kila mahali, ni kama hawajui sisi ni nani. Bibi zao wamepewa zetu mali, hiyo jaba watatupilia mbali, hawatatudanganya, tuko rada sisi na hatutanyamaza, tunyamazi sisi. Sauti ni ya KE, nduru ni za Gen Z. Na tuko wengi.
Say.
Viva, tuko wengi ngingi viva, tuko wengi ngingi viva, tuko wengi iyo Gen Z.
First of all,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
The whole everything about that song is just that happens in the human brain of somebody who like has 2 feet and 2 legs like me. Like I feel like if you're such good a composer, if like you're that good at anything whatsoever,
Yeah.
there should be like a mark on you. You should not be able to walk among us as a regular person.
Stamp.
Like there should be a mark. But anyway,
Yeah.
for the conversation part of it. So, Ruto,
You must go.
that's just bottom line. He just
Gotta go.
just back up, bruv.
Yeah.
Just back up. Yeah, actually, legit, there's literally nothing you can say that is accurate enough.
Yeah. And I keep hearing the type of conversations that surround him are geared to the complete opposite of everything that we're talking about.
Yeah.
And it's insane to see that a whole generation could be speaking. Now it's beyond a whole generation, it's your whole country.
Yeah.
And
You're still tone deaf.
you're still tone deaf, man. The whole cabinet that we wanted out, you've made some of them to be ambassadors. You've resubmitted their names as nominees. It's crazy, man. We can't end the conversation won't ever end until Ruto you're out.
Until Ashuke.
Yeah.
Just period. That's on per.
Yeah.
So, a deep breath to just remove that toxicity.
Yeah.
I want to know what it has been your easiest song to write, like one of those practically wrote itself.
Funny thing. It's in this latest EP that we've done, Washa Mshuma with.
With Mordecai. Yeah, that's also just.
Yeah, Fancy said that is the best verse he's seen written that fast. It was written under 10 minutes.
Oh, 5. What?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. But before, like in between, Dex stepping into the booth and out, it was recorded. It was written rather. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so your last word. You've been doing good so far. So your last word is more.
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 I have that word.
You write your songs are stories. I'm sure there's multiple.
More. It's coming and it's going. Oh my god, this is so simple. Why is this? Oh my god, this is
good for me.
I know you're the best for me. I know you're the one for me. I know you're the best indeed. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm trying to see where it is. Baby. I can't see. I still can't see it, man.
It's in there. For sure.
Amesema iko ndani.
Period.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a favorite riff or run?
Yeah.
I want to make a challenge of it, so I want to make it like a series of.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So.
Okay. I keep on being told I like the pentatonic scale.
Get it?
So for example, there's a certain melody I do on a song that might come later on. Why is it going? So
Ooh.
yeah.
Okay.
So it gets better the faster it is.
Oh.
And then now you can add accents to it.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah. I love the pentatonic scale. Playing around with it.
Yeah.
Just kiss.
All right.
Yeah.
I completely endorse.
Just do it.
All right. So, as a performing artist, I've seen you in multiple stages. You do a beautiful job. How is it that you seem to get more energetic as the performance goes?
Let me tell you.
Like you don't, or
Yeah,
you
I'm a very.
how? Like even vocally?
I feed off the energy of my band and the energy of the crowd.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nikishaonanga umejibamba.
Twende
mimi
sana.
na wewe. Yeah, and I happen to be an adrenaline junkie, man. I feed off high adrenaline activities.
All right.
Yeah, in the best ways. So,
Just so it's clear.
yeah, so as a matter of fact, my last 2 shows, I found myself getting so excited I spilled over time, man.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's never a bad thing when you're in the crowd.
You know. But tell me why I'm at Gecko. Gecko is a 2-hour set. And
Yeah.
I'm being told you're 2:20, bro.
Yeah.
And I did notice it. You know.
Yeah.
Bar Box was a 1-hour set. I'm at 1 hour 20. And guys are
Bruv.
enjoying themselves.
Yeah. And that means you're enjoying yourself.
I'm enjoying myself. At times I even like it just happens. It's how do I say it? It's an engine. Once it starts running,
Yeah.
it doesn't stop.
Yeah. That's lovely.
Truly, yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having
You've done
me.
good. I'll make a list of when you're mefuatana because you guys some of the people who have been on this couch have not done great. But nitawapatia performance list. Tuone nani ndio. Yes.
Pale Paris nani
Yes.
angeshinda. You know?
Na kina Manyala ni nani. Well,
Yeah.
Aki, so much love. I'm sending all my love to him. I can't sprint for Jack.
Yeah.
So who am I to hate? But anyway, thank you so much for joining us, Ochiko.
It's always a pleasure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I know that I will have you back here
Bet.
the sooner or later. But
Yeah.
I mean, considering how fast things are moving,
Yeah.
hopefully sooner.
Sooner, man.
Thank you so much. But bye. Thank you for tuning into
Bye.
Tunetalk. Like, share, and subscribe.
Toodles.